folks, introducing another turd. So this is a 300 or E300 that I got. A buddy of mine gave it to me, but I have to pull the engine out for him. It's a low mileage or lower mileage at 102,000 miles on it, I think. It's not gonna come up. Let me connect the battery. 102,000 miles with a, see if it works now. Oh, there it goes. 101,421. Yeah, 606. But yeah, the reason I'm getting it for free is because I have to take the motor out. Ooh. And there's no spring struts, so it's kind of hard to put this up. But yeah, my plan is to get another 606 to put into it. I have a couple of heads, so he just needs the motor. And I have some wheels to put on it, and I just got this body kit. So once I find a block, I'm gonna rebuild it, stick my head onto it, and put this kit on, paint it, and put some 18-inch monoblocks. But yeah, not bad. I'll document it as I go along, and I guess the next step would be pulling this motor out. We're gonna try and start this for the first time in a long time. Let's see how it does. That's interesting. There's no glow light in this. That's weird. Yeah, that's not the smoothest. Not my problem. Come on, man. At least the smoke stopped. I'm gonna wash this thing. Alright. Transmission works. No power steering. This is lovely. All right. Come change old fluids. Well, we're back there, so. This thing's a piece of shit. Front, the AC condenser, radiator, and intercooler off, as well as the whole entire support. Looking at it now, I have to let me get the transmission lines off the oil pan, take the intercooler piping off, and I think the oil lines right here. I'm trying to remove those, and then start unbolting the things to unbolt the motor, like fuel lines, starter, wiring, transmission. I think I'm just gonna pull the transmission out with it, see if I can put it in the back seat or something, and then get this thing towed away. But not bad. Gotta keep moving on. Right, there you have it. It's out. Still got to take the transmission off, the manifold, and also, well, the intake and exhaust manifold, and see if we could get the couple of fuel lines and other bibs and bobs off of it, like the engine harness and whatnot. But yeah, can't complain. Kind of messed up on a couple of parts. I think I might need a new one of these. I grabbed one from a car in the salvage yard. I pulled on this. I forgot to disconnect it before I took the transmission out, so that's a no-no. But yeah, pretty pleased. Not gonna bother cleaning any of this stuff up. All right, and here it is. That took a long time, a lot longer than I thought it would, and it made a huge mess, but it's finally off. Unfortunately, I forgot to take the torque converter or drain the torque converter before I took the transmission off. I unbolted it from the flex plate, but did not slide out with the transmission. It was corroded onto the flex plate, and then oil or transmission fluid just went everywhere. So that was a big mess I had to clean up. Live and learn, I guess. But yeah, glad it's separated. There's the trans and torque converter. Got to throw those in the back of the car with the rest of the items, and just take the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and wiring harness off this with a couple like fuel lines and whatnot. Yeah, not bad, but that made a huge mess that I had to clean up. All right, gentlemen, that's that for now. I'm gonna find a motor that I could build for it and finish this up another time. Again, got the AMG kit inside, and that's the plan. Just get the AMG kit on it, paint the whole body, fix up what I can, swap the wheels to the 18-inch staggered monoblocks that I have, and upgrade the brakes to probably a CLK 500 with the 13.75-inch rotors and 4-piston calipers. So hopefully I'll get this started sometime later this year, maybe after the summer.